Hello everyone! Take a small section of the hair from the front and tie a ponytail with it. Take a section right underneath it and tie another rubber band. With the division of the hair that is created, make a braid out of it. As you progress with this braid, add sections of the hair from the left and the right side. We will be making a French braid. Once you reach the bottom, make sure that all of the sections of the hair on one of the sides are included into the braid. Then you can braid the hair normally and roll up the braid. For our next hairdo, add multiple sections or multiple rubber bands in the front of the hair. Then tie up the back of the hair, that is the top section, and then roll it in on itself upwards. Now make two divisions and twist it and tie a heart and make two ponytails out of it. For our next hairdo, start off by combing the hair in place and then take a small section from the front. Begin to braid this hair and then use sections from the left side, that is the side that is closer to the face, into this braid. Once you are done including sections, you may normally braid the hair. Tie a rubber band once you are done. Now for the rest of the hair, once again begin to braid the hair. Once again we will be making a French braid. Include sections from the left and the right side of the scalp that is remaining. Once you reach the bottom, tie a rubber band, tie both the braids together and then roll this braid upwards in order to form a bun-like shape. For our next hairdo, section off the front of the hair and make a braid out of it. Right underneath it, make another section of the hair and then include that braid into this one. Make another braid, roll the braid upwards. Make a braid from the bottom. For our next hairdo, we will be starting off by making a braid in the front of the hair on either side. Then tie a section of the hair at the back and then join these braids together. Add a bow with the ribbon to it. Make two braids out of it, using the ribbon as part of the braid. Tie rubber bands once you are done. For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the front and then begin to braid the hair. Include sections from the rest of the scalp into this braid. Make sure that these sections are really small and narrow. This is a French braid. Once you reach about midway through, stop including sections of the hair and make a normal braid. For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the top in the center and then roll it in on itself as such. Take some brightly colored thread or thread colored by your choice and then include this into this ponytail and tie it around it. Make a braid using these threads as one of the sections. Do the same with two other partitions at the top. Now take one of the braids and then the corner one as well and make it into a ponytail. For our next hairdo, take a section of the hair from the top, make a ponytail out of it. Divide this into two sections and then braid it. As you progress with each of the braids, include sections of the hair from the respective sides. Include hair only from one side, however. Thank you for watching.